This is Cheyenne Wynn reporting for Kids First. Today I'm reviewing the film Wreck-It Ralph in 3D. This movie is hilarious and has a lot of fun characters. This movie is about Wreck-It Ralph. His job is to be wrecking and a bad guy. He's tired of being blamed of being a bad guy, so he tries to be a good guy and goes turbo and tries to get one of those medals. He goes to Hero's Duty and Sugar Rush. At Sugar Rush, he meets a girl named Vanellope Von Sweets. In this movie, there's a Games Central station. It's like a train station, but it connects all the arcade games. My favorite character is Vanellope Von Sweets from Sugar Rush because her attitude makes her really funny. When she tries to convince Ralph, she says this: "Ralph, my man, man." The 3D quality in this movie is amazing because it goes all video game type and the characters are popping right in front of your face. The message in this movie is that you could be whatever you want to be. I give this age range 5 and up. I give this movie 5 out of 5 stars. This movie comes out November 2nd, 2012 in theaters near you. This is Cheyenne Wynn reporting for Kids First signing out. See ya!